Water. Cool, clean, refreshing.
Water, nature's gift that uniquely defines our landscape. Water, the link to relaxation and fun for residents and visitors alike.
But water provides more than just aesthetic and recreational value. It's key to our survival and contributes to the cultural, economic, and environmental well-being of our community. To protect this invaluable resource, it's critical we manage water and the resulting wastewater effectively through a liquid waste management plan developed with input from Vernon residents.
Every 5 years, we're mandated by the legislation of the provincial government to update our liquid waste management plan. Stage one is to make sure that the plan as it is there now is doing what it needs to do. Then when they bring those recommendations back to council, council gets a chance to look at it in the second stage. Over the last few years, how we live with the earth and the environment has become very, very important. How we manage wetlands, how we do things like irrigation. Water management. This gives us one opportunity to look at using a product that was normally considered and still called a waste to make it from a waste into a benefit.
The City of Vernon's BNR program is unique because we don't go to a receiving water like a lake or a river. We go to a land-based spray irrigation program. So the water is used again for various things from livestock grazing on the common edge to golf courses to seed orchards, etc.
The wastewater from all the collection in the city actually comes to this point. So the water flows through the building and it flows through the screen just below me here.
We have to separate the sludge from the water. Then we can send the clear water back into the plant, and the sludge now can be centrifuged, and then we send that up to the composting facility.
So all the bubbling you're seeing on the surface behind me is a fine air system. What's happening is we're giving the bacteria oxygen, it's consuming the organics in the water, and that's how we clean the wastewater as we send it out of the plant.
Final part of the process, once it leaves the UV section, the water flows behind me into this equalization pond. And then what we do is we pump the water to McKay Reservoir. And then that starts our spray irrigation program.
We use spray irrigation here at Predator Ridge to irrigate our golf courses. As well, we use it to irrigate the public boulevards on the city-owned roads. In terms of savings, it has worked since the inception of this golf course approximately 18 years ago.
Ogle Grow is a nutrient-rich organic soil supplement that is made from biosolids and wood waste. The biosolids originate from the wastewater treatment plant, and we use wood waste from local sawmills. The main environmental benefit of Ogle Grow is that you can use it in your garden. It will help retain moisture in the soil. It will grow larger, healthier plants. You can use it as a top dressing on your lawn, or you can mix it into your vegetable garden. Once it's approved for use from here, from the Ministry of Environment, it's approved for unrestricted distribution, so you can use it anywhere.
Spray irrigation has been a legacy for the City of Vernon for the last 30 years, and I think the principle of spray irrigation has many uses in the North Okanagan, and the intent is to be able to keep the spray irrigation program as robust as possible. So yeah, the system provides many benefits to existing users and is a great use of water, but at the same time it does come with increased costs. So as a Vernonite, the idea of being able to spend the time now and the proper amount of time going through all these issues and asking the right questions and really throwing it back to the public to let them decide, give them the choices to determine what is in their best interest. That means over the course of the next 20 years, you're implementing a strategy that has public support. So by nature, a liquid waste management plan is all about consultation with the public. And the program for 2010 and 11 is no different. There's a website that'll include routine updates and fact sheets and just basically general awareness about issues with liquid waste in the city. There's an email address where residents can sign up for the address and get routine updates from the project team. There'll be a local advisory committee and a technical advisory committee. The local advisory committee will be made up of predominantly the public, and each one of those committee meetings will be advertised in the paper, and it's open to the public for anyone to come and participate. There's contacts at the City of Vernon and Greg Thompson, and also as well Urban Systems and Joanne DeVries at Alliance Communications that you can contact at any time.